Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will to learn how to design simple pen holder in SolidWorks. First we use a millimeter unit in here, so select in below and bottom. So ensure we select in millimeter, gram and second like this. And at first we start from draw from top plane. Right click on top plane and click sketch. Draw a circle, draw from this point. Then set the dimension of the circle. I'll set the dimension, and for example the diameter is 120 millimeter. After that, just export to solid part with feature and click extrude boss. Direction is blind, and for dip, for example I set in 135 millimeter like this. Just click OK. After we make like a cylinder like this, solid cylinder, we just go to feature and select a shell. We use shell feature. The shell feature is used to hollow out a solid body by removing material from its interior, leaving a thin wall of uniform thickness. For face, we select top face in here, or select this face, and for thickness, I set in 1 millimeter, for example, and just click show preview in here. The thickness is in 1 millimeter is the thickness of the wall, like this. After that, just click OK and done. It's so simple to removing material from its interior like this and leaving a thin wall of uniform of thickness like this. Then select the front plane, right click and click sketch. Draw a center line. Draw from this point to the top like this. Ensure the center line to click make vertical. Then set off the height of center line. For example, is 15 millimeter in here for distance. Then select polygon from the sketch, draw it like this. Set the dimension for inner circle of polygon. I set in 15 millimeters too, like this. And just click exit sketch. After we make a sketch polygon like this from front plane, go to feature again and click wrap. We use wrap feature in here. Wrap feature in here is very useful for engraving, embossing, or creating cutouts on curved surface. So for wrap type, I select in deboss. Ensure we select in deboss because in here the deboss wrap deboss is the used to engrave while following curvature or nor distortion. For face, select this face or cylinder face like this and just click OK and done. It's so simple. We just to engrave while following curvature before the polygon to engrave from the wall of the cylinder like this. Then go to front plane. After that, we just to go to feature and select circular pattern. For feature and face, select this wrap one or wrap one like this. And for direction, we can select this face again or cylinder face. Just click OK. Alright, we can see again edit feature. In here, for example, I set in 20 for number of instance. Just click OK. Like this. Then go to top front plane again and right click and click sketch. Draw a center line. Draw from this point to this point. We draw the center line between a cut of polygon like this, and draw again the center line, the middle point of two cut of polygon like this. Then set the dimension for distance is 15 millimeter too, like before, and make a polygon again. Draw from this point to below like this. Set the dimension for the circle in here. I set in 15 millimeter diameter of inner circle of polygon like before, and just exit sketch go to feature and click wrap again. Click the boss for right type, and for face, select this face. And in here is sketch 3 or sketch the polygon like this. Just click OK. Go to feature again and select circular pattern. For feature and face, select this wrap to. Like this wrap to. And for direction, select this face or this cylinder face. And in here we set in 20 for number of instance like before. Just click OK. And done. It's so simple. After that, we want to make two like this, one to circular pattern to the top, which feature in the name is linear pattern. Go to feature and click linear pattern like this. And for feature and face, select circular pattern 2, wrap 2, circular pattern 1, and wrap 1 like this. And for direction, we can set or we can choose this edge on the top the face, this edge. And we can set in here for direction or spacing in here is 30 millimeter, because before is its direction is 15 and 15, so 15 plus 15 is 30 millimeter, so set in 30 millimeter like this. And for example, in here a number of instance I set in 4. After that, just click OK. We can wait until the program finish. And show for feature and face, select of circle pattern 1, wrap 2, circle pattern 1, and wrap 1. And distance in here I set in 30 millimeter and done like this. It's so simple. After that, we can go to fillet, select fillet, and we set in 0.5 millimeter because the wall have the thickness 1 millimeter. Set this face and set this bottom edge. Just click OK. And done. We can change appearances, isometric view, select all the feature, choose appearances. For example, I set the plastic, click medium gloss. For example, I select yellow medium gloss plastic like that. And done. It's a simple pen holder in SolidWorks. You can make or design for first part to learning in SolidWorks. I I hope this tutorial help you to learning SolidWorks. It's perfect for beginners. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in this material. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.